Hi, my name is Niklimi Kairanga, and I'm going to present my unemployment rate predictor for African countries. So basically, it takes six inputs and yeah, gives the unemployment rate, predict and then predict the employment rate of an African country. It's a little bit slow, so I kind of had to build the Flutter app and then run it like in a Python server just to have this, and my backend is running here. So yeah, let's try to make some input. Um, okay, secondary education completion rates. Let's say 46 for male, for female I mean 34. Then youth literacy rate for male, uh, let's say okay, let's say 46 again, and for female 24. uh, Higher education, it should be higher, like 37. Higher education demographics. So for higher education demographics, you need to give the tertiary education uh, percentage of enrollment. So let's say, yeah, tertiary education is like higher education, so usually, yeah, let's say 12, and birth rate, say 38. So when you click on predict, it gives you the percentage of yeah, the predicted unemployment rate. So yeah, that's basically it. So in the app, this is uh, where I'm fetching the data using the HTTP module of Flutter, of Dart, and basically just passing the data that I'm receiving, that I'm sending, yeah, and also to identify the data that I'm receiving. So in the backend, this is how my backend is. Just taking the model from where they are and create a fast API server. I also used course here, and this is like a class that define how the input is structured and all the like yeah, the things that it has to respect. So yeah, this is where I'm creating the endpoint, and everything is made from here. So let's try to uh, use the Swagger. So to fetch the data directly from the Swagger. So there's already like a set of values. Let's just use them. So yeah, an employment rate is equal to 35.87. So if you try to put a number that is unrealistic, uh, yeah, it says input should be less than or equal to 60. So even if you try to put like another data type, like a string, it also tells you that it should be a valid number. So yeah, this is it for uh, the Flutter app and the backend API. So now let's go to the model. So I used the word educational data from Kaggle that I just basically load the data. So it contains all the countries. Okay, a lot of countries. So I had to take African countries only. Yeah. So this is the correlation heat map. Yeah, that so shows like the different relation between different in features or inputs. Yeah, and what can I? Yeah, so these are the different models that I was training. Linear regression with gradient descent. So I use this SGD regressor method to use gradient descent in linear regression at the same time, and I also did decision tree, random forest. And after evaluating the models, I saw that the one that has the lowest MSE was the linear regression model. So yeah, after that, there's the loss curve Uh, PC is quite low. Yeah, so the last curve here, it's yeah, also showing, the test and I mean the mean squared error and irritation of the train loss and the test loss are like going down, kind of like decreasing. So during the training of the data for the linear regression, so it's good. And yeah, this is basically it. So here I was just saving the best model. Yeah. So thank you for following, and yeah.